Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to run reports. When you log into CourseKey, on the left-hand side, you'll see a few different tabs. The one you're going to click on is Applications. Next, click on Reports. We have a wide array of reports to choose from, approximately 31, maybe more by the time you watch this. Running reports is really easy. What you're going to do is click on the name of the report, and you will select your school or schools if you would like to run more than one campus. Select the dates that you would like included in this report. The last step would be to click Run Report. Once you click Run Report, your report will be generated. What you can do is remove some columns that you would like removed from your report. That way, the information is tailored to what you're looking for. You can also filter here by a specific course name, for example, or a specific instructor name. Once your report is ready to go, you can click Export and you can print it out or save it to your computer. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.